This car is big enough to fit a cat. Because it's not an ordinary car. It's a large RV with 5 rooms and 2 living areas.
Don't worry, with this type of flathead light truck RV, RC license can drive it. Inside the vehicle, there are 5 beds, enough for a family to stay when going out. The vehicle is composed of 2 levels. Let's first look at the first floor. Behind the driver's seat is a face-to-face living room with a total load of 6 people. It can be converted into a small bed here. It's not used frequently, but it can be an emergency option. Above, there's a bit of an air conditioner without a cover and speed monitoring.
Opposite this entire row is the indoor kitchen. Closest to you is the higher 147-liter refrigerator. Next to it is the Gaylands microwave, and the ceramic sink is indeed much better than the stainless steel one. Below are 3 layers of storage drawers, and there's a 10-kilogram household drum washing machine. The appliances are very complete. It's really like moving a home onto the vehicle. Here is the independent bathroom. To give you a more comfortable space when showering, you see the toilet can be pushed in. When using the toilet, you can turn on the exhaust fan or open the window for ventilation. After all, at this height, others won't know what you're doing. The rear of the vehicle is the second bed. Even when half kneeling, you won't hit your head. It is 2 meters and 25 centimeters long, even longer than the one at home. There's storage space all around, plus a through compartment below, so no need to worry about not fitting all your luggage. Come on, let's go to the second floor. Here is your rooftop terrace. Standing out here to enjoy the view is quite nice. You can close the entrance first, lay down a tatami mattress, and this becomes the third bed. Of course, there is also a kitchen on the second floor. You can fish by the river and make a delicious fish soup with friends from the second floor, which is also a great option. The living room can also be converted into a bed even larger than the one on the first floor.
If you encounter heavy rain, don't worry, we can lower the second floor pop-up roof and it will turn back into a closed bedroom, right?
The fifth bed is right here, and it's also quite good for use as a storage room. Finally, it has an impressive water and electricity setup, a 310-liter fresh water tank, a 120-liter gray water tank, and a 110-liter black water tank, so the toilet should be fine for almost a month. Additionally, there is a 20-degree power reserve and 2-kilowatt solar panels on top, so as long as there's sun, we have electricity. Do you think this double pop-up light truck RV is your style? Feel free to leave a comment below.
Follow Yawen, and we won't miss any RVs.